tests for the constant wear vest are the same tests used for the airline life vest. Refer to the airline life vest testing section to review any of these tests. Right at the top is the oral tube attachment test. It must be accomplished every 5 years and is the first test that must be performed. Next is the proof test. This test is performed first at 5 years, then 10 years, and then at every service thereafter. The next test after the proof test is the leakage test. This test is performed at every service. Don't forget to calculate the correction for barometric pressure and ambient temperature. When performing a leakage test on an aviator life vest, you must do it for both the front and back chambers. Inside is a middle layer that divides the cell into 2 chambers, and each chamber has its own oral tube. Here's the front chamber being tested. Notice the deflate adapter being used to hold the backside oral valve open. Here, the backside is being tested. Here's a reminder to repeat the test for the opposite side. The next test is light testing. You have the option to either test the light or not test the light. If the light looks like it's in bad shape, or you're just not sure, go ahead and test it. Make sure the whistle works. Test the XVAC Molly Plus strobe light. Slide the switch to on. Touch the contacts with a paper clip. The light should start flashing. Slide the switch to off.